Ladybird. Come on.
He's eating the shell.
Huh?
He's eating the shell.
Is it like chips, son?
Hey.
Did you get a picture of these
Come on.
three?
Hey.
Oh my god.
Maggie, is that good? Oh, does it taste like chips?
Everything's better with a crunch.
Does it taste like a chicken's butt? Does it, Marky?
Oh, we won't eat the yolk, but I will definitely eat the shell.
Ladybird. Hey. Uh-oh. Ladybird. 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 No.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Is your foot okay?
Oh yeah. Ladybird. Hey.
Ladybird!
Ladybird. Oh god. Let me get her really quick.
Okay. Bad girl.
Oh.
She ate the yolk.
Ladybird. Oh god.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. You can let it go.
You are tripping, son. He turned it over to take a bite out of the shell.
The chair's gonna fall.
Is that delicious?
I don't know. It felt like
Is
it was
it
gonna fall.
delectable? Maggie, is it delightful? Good. Lily.
Oh no. I don't know. Aaron.